to the left, oh yeah, move baya.
Move to the left, move baya.
I say move to the right, oh yeah, move baya.
Move to the right, move baya.
Oh yeah, move to the left, oh yeah, move baya.
Move to the left, move baya.
Hi everyone, this is Pastor Dixon here. I'm here to bring a big announcement to you. On the 15th of September, David Dance Church Tour moves to one church I love so much, Message Point Assembly, Calabar at Goodluck Jonathan Bypass. Trust me, it's going to be an amazing experience. So by 9 a.m., if you want to join us for the David Dance Church Tour, remember to locate us 9 a.m. Message Point Assembly. Trust me, if David can dance, who am I? Oh dear Lord. So I and the Praise House crew will be there. Everybody is set. Trust me, this Sunday, don't miss out. Message Point Assembly. See you there. God bless you.